So hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a quiz using Quizegg. So first thing we need to do is write down the Quizegg and go to the website. Yes, and here if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up first, but because I already have one, so I'm just gonna use my account to log in. Yes, and here we can click create a new quiz to make our quiz. This is the name of our quiz, whether you want to make the name of your quiz. Like now I'm just gonna choose for first assignment for my quiz. So yeah, and here you can put some instruction for the quiz that you want to give to your student. Because I'm gonna choose true or false question, so I'm just gonna write down yes, and we need to scroll it down and see some settings for our question, such as how many times can a user take this quiz. Like I'm just gonna choose one, and the time limit of our quiz, I'm just gonna choose 1 minute because I only make one quiz, so yeah. And here we need to enter the code for our quiz so that student can access this quiz with those code. Yeah, and just make it easier to remember. And click add some, and now we're starting to make a question. But the first thing we need to do is choose the question type. There are several choices here, but I'm just gonna choose true or false for my quiz. So I'm just gonna write down this statement. Now you can give points for this question, whether you want it to be 80 points for this question, so it will be 80 points for one question. So for each question you need to give points, but because I only make one question, so I'll just give 80 points. And now we choose the correct answer, whether it's true or false. And here we can put some explanation for our question if you wanted to, but if you don't, it's okay. But in order to make it understandable and give my students explanation for the correct choice, so I will just give this question explanation. Yes, and after that we can save it if we finish to make all of the question that we want to make. But if we want to we still want to make a question, so we can just save and add new question. I'm just gonna save it because yeah, and here we can manage our question, whether we want to change the question or you need to fix something, and click update after that. But because I don't have anything to fix, so I'm just gonna choose this and click publish and publish our first assignment if we finish to make our question. And here are several ways to deliver this quiz to our students. So yeah, thank you so much. I think that's all from me, and yeah, bye.